Hello, and welcome to our Abacus review session. Today, we're going to review everything we've learned so far. We'll practice adding and subtracting numbers with 1, 2, or 3 digits, focusing on one number at a time. Since we've already covered how to read numbers on the abacus and the finger rules for adding and subtracting, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. As you work through these exercises with your child, be sure to watch their finger movements closely. It's important they use the correct fingers for each operation. Mastering these finger rules now will help them learn the abacus more quickly and accurately. I have a few more important tips to share before we start. First, make sure your child holds a pencil during the exercise, even though they won't need to write down any answers this time. Young kids often forget to hold the pencil unless reminded. It's important to build the habit of holding a pencil while using the abacus from the beginning. Also, remember to add or subtract numbers starting with the largest digit. For example, if you're adding 321 on the abacus, start by adding 300, then 20, and finally 1. The same goes for subtracting numbers. Lastly, in this review session, when subtracting numbers like 6, 7, 8, and 9, we'll do it in 2 steps, as many abacus schools teach beginners. However, if your child is comfortable doing it in 1 step, they're welcome to try that too. Okay. Let's dive in and get started. Great job! I hope this review exercise was helpful for you and your child. In our next lesson, we'll dive into adding and subtracting with more numbers. Don't worry, there's nothing too complex involved, like borrowing or carrying over. We'll take it step by step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do so now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.